Hi, I'm Jason with In the Beginning Fabrics. I'm here to show you my new Summer Breeze collection. The main piece is a really fun border print, jewel tones, real watercolor type artwork. You can see how the border works on the quilts behind me. There's another focal print, similar motifs, bright, fun, great for summer. And I did a bunch of go-withs, fun butterfly print. The dots have a really nice gradation on them. And then some cooler colors. There's 3 different projects that go with this. There's a Summer Breeze quilt pattern, kind of a trip around the world, designed by Lori Schifrin. Lori did another quilt for us called the Summer Fresh Quilt. This one you can do without the border, or you can add the border to it depending what size you want. And then we did a really fun Kaleidoscope pattern. The border print cuts up really cool. This group will be out in June. I hope you enjoy it.